In a small village surrounded by tall mountains lived a boy named Araf. Araf loved making kites. He would spend hours crafting colorful kites of all shapes and sizes. His favorite kite was a small, simple one he made out of an old newspaper. He called it Chotu. One day, there was a big kite flying festival in the village. Everyone came with their brightest, biggest kites, hoping to reach the sky and impress the crowd. Araf too brought Chotu, though it looked tiny compared to the others. Some of the other kids laughed at his small kite. That little thing will never fly high, they teased. But Araf believed in Chotu. He had spent a lot of time making it, and he knew it was special. As the festival began, kites of all colors soared into the sky. The wind was strong, and the big kites flew higher and higher. Araf carefully let Chotu take off. At first it wobbled in the wind, struggling to stay in the air. The other kids laughed again, but Araf didn't give up. He steadied the string and encouraged Chotu. Come on, you can do it. Slowly, Chotu started to climb higher. It wasn't as big or as flashy as the other kites, but it was light and agile. As the wind grew stronger, the bigger kites began to struggle. Some of them even crashed to the ground because they were too heavy to handle the wind. But Chotu, small and light, danced gracefully in the sky. It soared higher and higher until it was the highest kite in the sky. The crowd watched in amazement as the little kite outperformed all the others. Araf beamed with pride as Chotu fluttered against the blue sky. The kids who had laughed at him before now looked at him with admiration. How did you do it? One of them asked. Araf smiled and said, It's not about how big or fancy your kite is. It's about believing in yourself and never giving up, no matter what others say. From that day on, Araf became known as the best kite flyer in the village, not because he had the biggest or most colorful kite, but because he never gave up on his dreams. Believing in yourself and persevering even when others doubt you can lead to great success. It's not the size or appearance that matters, but the heart and determination behind it.